friends, a lot of you have been asking for this video, and here it is. Last minute stockpile gifts for family, friends, neighbors. We're going to go through how I pack them and gifting from your stockpile. So the first gift that we're looking at is for like a neighbor or the letter carrier lady. As I shop a lot at Walgreens, these items, I got them really cheap. I think the Ferrero Rocher was like a couple of bucks, as well as the Godiva. Throw both of those into a bag with a little card. You can throw in a little gift card if you want to give a little bit more to, say, your letter carrier or your FedEx or UPS driver. But for the neighbors, this is just perfect. They always love getting candy and makes them so happy. I love to bring this over on Christmas Eve, a little way to say hello. Not very close with the neighbors as I live out in the country, but I always like to try to do something a little small. And I do this for 5 or 6 homes. And here it is. Very easy. And I think it looks really nice. Put a little tissue paper in there also if you want to. Now, the second one is for a special lady in your life, because this is a lot of cosmetics. What I recommend is see how that smaller bag for the 2 chocolates, a little bit bigger bag if you want to gift that much, but really go with a bag, because if you just start throwing it into a box or something, you might give away most of your makeup. And I've done that before where I just keep throwing stuff into a bag and I'm like, oh, what? So really be decisive with the bags that you're using, because sometimes it's one of these optical illusions. Sometimes some of these bags you can pretty much put anything in, especially with smaller cosmetics. So really be careful with that. From my stockpile, this is some pretty amazing stuff that I fit into this bag. So the first little item is this clearance makeup bag that I bought, I think for $1 at Walmart. All the loose lipsticks, that sort of stuff, I like to put it in, so it doesn't like move all around. We have the hand masks, those little pads for the acne, another face mask, super adorable reindeer ears, and some socks, a makeup sponge, all stuff I got at 90% off last year. This guy I did buy though, $3.99 I think at Meijer. Some Bath and Body Works, little candle, just stuff I get on clearance, semi-annual sale, always looking for a bargain, and a whole bunch of my Walgreens stuff. Lashes as well. Those were holiday lashes from last year. A little triple mascara set, and big office fan, so a little office ornament. And then just to put everything back in there, it doesn't take very long. I think the bag I got for 25 cents at Dollar General last January, and then everything else clearance and couponing, and especially if you shop after the Christmas holiday, you can get all this stuff 90% off whenever they have really big sales. Everything fits in there very beautifully, and it looks quite holiday with the little makeup bag and the little reindeer ears. I think those are so adorable. There it is. Who wouldn't love to get that? I mean, it's so stinking cute. Do love. Okay, in the last bag, I'm just going to unpack it and then show you the bag. And it's just a whole bunch of stockpile goods. As I coupon, a lot of the stuff, freebies, cheapies, 90% off. And because I coupon, I can give so big to a very large extended family on my husband's side. And then for each sibling to get this, they don't know it's coming. That's the biggest gift, is to see their reaction, or to see, like, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I can't believe you thought about me. And it's just like a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And sometimes these gifts actually mean more than if you went out and bought them a gift. It's a crazy thing, but it's so truthful. And I always have a thing with loose things. This is a cookie tin I got for 3 cents at Walmart last summer, and it's just loose stuff, so it's not like thrashing around your car when you're driving back to Detroit. So it's all there, just like loose little things. This bag I got at Meijer. It has a very hard bottom. $3.99 for this bag, and then I can stand up all of the liquids so they don't thrash around when you're gifting. So cute. Hope you guys have loved this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.